In this video, I'll show you how to edit with CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. When it comes to editing on CapCut, there's a whole lot of different options and tabs, but I'm going to carefully walk you through all and how you can be able to use them. So this is the edit option. You can be able to split a video, increase the volume, set animations, effects, delete, speed, beats. Like I'm able to see all this. So this is for the edit option. So you can be able to do this. So when it comes to the audio option, you can be able to come on here, you can be able to extract audio, add sound, record, text to audio, and all this. Then when it comes to the text, you can be able to add up text, captions, stickers, a lot of them here. Then the effects, I'm going to add up different motion effects from video, body, photo, and AI. Overlay, can also add overlay. Captions are just like this, is a whole lot of them. So make sure you explore them from your own end and see how you can be able to use it to edit your work or edit your project you're currently working on here in CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.